It's only been a few months that the brand new generation of the Rolls-Royce Ghost was shown to the world for the very first time. And it hasn't taken too long for the car to come to India. It's been launched in both standard and long wheelbase versions, which is called the Ghost Extended. But what you see here is the standard version of the car. Let's tell you what it's all about. The new Ghost is built on the company's new aluminium space frame architecture, which also underpins its flagship model Phantom and the company's first ever SUV, the Cullinan. The car is now larger by 89mm and wider by 30mm. On the other hand, Ghost Extended is longer by 170mm. The wheelbase is now 3295mm long in the standard model and 3465mm long in the Ghost Extended. So you get the signature grille with 20 LEDs underneath to give you an illuminated effect. And then you get brand new laser lamps which have a range of 600 meters no less. And finally, the very famous Spirit of Ecstasy is now a part of the bonnet line and not the panel lines to give you a much cleaner design. The car gets an arched roof line with blacked out pillars, while the rear comes with almost squared LED tail lamps. Overall, owing to feedback from its customers, the ultra luxury car brand hasn't tinkered too much with the design of the car. Get in and you're welcomed by a cabin that is all about being bespoke. The instrument cluster, the dashboard and the buttons are all works of art. There's also the signature clock, and at the center you have the massive infotainment display screen. For the first time ever, the Rolls-Royce Ghost comes with effortless doors, and that means this. Just touch this button here and it goes closing by itself. That's cool, isn't it? And then I'll show you the second row of the car, because this is where most of you will sit if you buy this car. Of course, your side doors, getting in not difficult at all. Just step inside with all the comfort that is there. Press a button inside and there the door closes. So here I am, second row of the new Rolls-Royce Ghost, and no dearth of space, comfort or luxury. Let me show you this. Pull down the armrest and all the controls for your seats to adjust them, both the front row seat and my seat as well. So I can adjust my seat for pushing it forward or backward, recline it, or adjust the headrest as well. Pretty cool. And the first row, of course, press a button and my seat on the first row goes forward. Pretty cool as well. Press this small button here and my tray and the screen opens up, gives me a lot of infotainment options. It's a touch screen, or I have a knob here as well through which it can be controlled. Finally, look at this beautiful roof here on the car. So it's called a Starlight roof, but this one also has the beautiful shooting stars that you can spot once in a while. You also have the option of having a small refrigerator. The new Rolls-Royce Ghost also features a micro-environment purification system that automatically activates fresh air intakes into recirculation mode if the air quality drops. Now when you get behind the wheel of the all-new Rolls-Royce Ghost, this is what you get to experience. A 6.75 litre twin-turbo V12 engine that has been developed specially for this car. 563 bhp and 850 Newton meters of torque. That's not all. The car also gets an all-wheel drive system and an all-wheel steering. Maximum torque is available from just 1600 rpm along with Rolls-Royce's self-leveling high-volume air suspension technology. Talking about safety, the car gets vision assist, a 4-camera system with panoramic view, active cruise control, collision warning, lane departure and lane change warning, among other things. Finally, the prices. While the standard version you see here is priced in the range of 7 crore rupees ex showroom, the Ghost Extended will set you back by around 8 crore. But what's a Rolls-Royce without going bespoke? So the ultimate price will really depend on what you want in your car to make it even more exclusive.